Today let's talk about the way that you set up recurring investments inside of Robinhood. If you want to keep frequently investing off Robinhood without you having to manually do it, you can set up something called recurring investments so that every week or every month, depending upon what you want, the funds can transfer and go into particular stocks or ETFs that you choose. So to set up the recurring investment, just scroll down and pick up a stock that you're trying to set up the recurring investment of. Once you open up a particular stock, in order to set it up, just tap on the trade option on the bottom right and then tap on the buy option. Now once you tap on buy, you'll be taken to this screen where you'll have the option of adding in the dollar amount of the stock that you're trying to buy. In order to set it as recurring, tap on the dollars that is showing on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on it, you're going to see different types of orders that you can create. Under conditional orders, the first option you'll see is recurring investments. So just tap on the recurring investments option and then select the timeline. Here you'll be able to choose the frequency of the recurring investment that you're trying to make. You can select from 4 different options: every market day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. So if you're trying to add it every month, it's going to show you the exact date that the recurring investment will occur. If you accept that, just select this option and then tap on continue. This way, in the next screen, you'll need to just add in the amount that you want to add in as recurring investment each month. That is the way that you set up recurring investments inside of Robinhood. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.